Hi, I know you're going to be watching this in June sometime, but it's actually April here. So, and I'm got an audience. I've got an audience. There's Chris.
Hi, Chris Witt.
And Andrew.
Andy Ted.
Andy. Yeah, Andy. Okay, prefers Andy. All right. And we've got a brand spanking new Tektronix, new 2 series. It's a first time. How long has it been since a new architecture low-end Tekscope?
Probably 10 plus 15 years.
15 years since a new architecture.
This level of architecture.
This level, right. So it's a new architecture. It's not the same as the 3 series.
Nope.
It's not the same as the 3 series. So it's new architecture, low end, under $2,000. And I have not seen it yet. They have actually deliberately not told me anything about it, the mongrels. And they didn't want to spoil anything. So this is actually it's not a prototype, it's a qualification build. So they made, I don't know, a couple of hundred of these or however many they made. And so I've got the first qualification build. They hand carried it over, and we're going to open it up. So I can, hang on. Oh, geez, that's thin. Oh, come on. That's like, that reminds me of like the O1 thin, kind of that sickly thin O1 thing. But I don't think this is going to take up much bench space. So like a footprint. So, I wonder what the tilting bale is going to be like. Anyway, I have not seen it. So, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's got look at the stand on that thing. Hang on. Well, hang on. Power adapter. Okay, I was wondering. Yep, it's so thin. They haven't included a mains power supply. The 2 series mixed signal. Oh, it's black. It's very black. They are... You haven't got buttons. You've gone with tactile dome buttons. Wow, that's for cost saving, obviously. Okay, my first impression, I've got to be... Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. So that's an aluminium... No, yeah? Is that an aluminium stand? Yeah. With... Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, so you can take it off and you can turn it into a tablet. Well, it's not quite... I wouldn't say it's a tablet scope because for a tablet scope you'd want the BNCs on the end. So yeah, but it's got that tablet vibe. Wow, you guys have certainly done something different. That's for sure. Wow. Okay, and digital, this is mixed signal. They have dropped, it's not a mixed domain one, so you don't get the RF, but it's got the function gen. Okay, it's got a couple of PG, okay, no, hang on. There's your digital input. So that'd be test signals or something, I would presume. Am I right?
Yeah, digital pattern generator.
PG pattern gen. Okay, digital pattern gen. It's a 4-channel, of course. Everyone's 4-channel these days. Wow. Okay, and there's your mains earth. Well, actually, that's no, because it'd be an isolated power supply. Mm-hmm. Yep.
The power supply's grounded. There's another.
Oh, the power supply's grounded.
So there's another part to this product.
Yeah. You haven't shown.
No,
okay.
It's not in the bag.
Oh, it's not in the bag.
This is a prototype.
Prototype. Okay. What the heck? Hang on. We've got another thing. Oh, it's 3D printed. You're right. This is very prototype. I'll be gentle with that.
Open the flap though at the top.
Open the flap at the top. Oh, it's battery. Oh my goodness, it's rechargeable. 2 hot swappable, hot swapping batteries.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it bolts to the back of the product.
It bolts to the back. Oh wow. Okay, I'm impressed. You guys have, that's some pioneering stuff. Okay, it's modular. You can almost use it as a tablet. Okay, so it's how thick does it get? Okay, it becomes regular scope thickness. I guess like regular modern scope thickness when you add the battery in, but oh wow, battery. I bet they're obviously not isolated, but it becomes a regular,
And that's the reason for the ground lug.
Oh,
safety.
Yeah. Okay, yes, of course, that makes sense. Okay, so what I was saying before is that it's all. I know a lot of people are going to think this looks like a toy. Like if you didn't have the Tektronix here and you'd go, oh, it's, you know, tactile thing, but I don't know why you've gone with the tactile buttons. Maybe because you couldn't get the, because you'd need the extra depth in there for the depth of the buttons, and then the PCB behind there, and then the, you know, do these like, no, so they don't light up?
So, yes.
Oh, they do they?
Yep.
Do the buttons light up?
These ones don't, but these do.
Oh, okay, right.
There's ring lights behind all of these.
Oh, there is. Okay. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, that's much better. I'm sure it looks much better than when it comes up. I think you could probably do with some extra color over here. I'm just saying. I think it's too black. Has anyone internal said that? Because that's just color. Okay. I'm going to have to get used to the tactile buttons. Can you see? First problem.
Stop.
What?
Turn the scope upside down.
Turn the scope upside down.
On the stand. Now take the cover off the bottom of the stand.
Oh, okay. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay. There we go. It's so fresh. We're peeling off. That's better. Okay. I was going to say that was a fail. Yeah. Okay. Can I push this button? Okay, can I push that and it's not going to fall over? Good. Okay, yep, winner. All right, nice. Okay,
fresh off the line.
It passes. All right. The only other problem, oh, geez, that's sticky. Okay, the only other problem I can think of is that may not fit under like a regular height bench, like I'm thinking like over there kind of thing. With this, it'd be nice if this like push down, but I can because a normal carry handle would fold down, but you know that'd be extra cost to have a fold-in metal hinge kind of thing. But
under those two screws,
yeah, let's take it off, shall we? Oh, they're already done. Okay, all right. And what's under there?
Now if you notice the pattern of the screws.
Oh, it's a Visa mount. Yep. Excellent. Well done. Visa mount. All right, nice. Oh, this looks like it's going to be really easy to open too. And what are the extra ones over here? Is that like a bigger Visa mount?
That's where the battery attaches.
Oh, okay. The battery attaches. Oh, yeah, right. So you're going to have thumb screws or something on the back there, is it, or just regular screws? Okay. All right. There's screws in the bag. Okay.
This little tab comes off.
Yep, comes off, and then
it gets stored if you turn it upside down. The battery.
Yep.
That then gets stored in this slot.
Oh, okay. Somebody was thinking that is excellent. So you take that off there, you put it in there, and it's Bob's your uncle. Okay, you never lose it. That is very impressive. Okay, a lot of thought has gone into this, obviously. That's really sexy. Geez, if Apple made that, it'd cost $1,000 just for the stand.
So the reason you only had two screws, is we can put the stand. You can stand it at 90 degrees.
Oh, you can stand at 90 if you want. Okay.
Or that.
Right. Oh, so you can just put the. Oh wow.
Or that.
Oh.
So you've got three.
Nice. Okay, who's the industrial designer responsible for that? Can we name them? Because that's really nice.
We have a mechanical engineering team, led by Neil Clayton, and there's a whole bunch of team behind that. Chris Valentine is part of that. It's a real team effort, this.
Right, okay.
Again, it goes through a lot of iterations of thinking, using, rethinking.
And it shows. It definitely shows. Yep, that's impressive. What's the cutout there do? That's just to get the logo on the serial number? Right, okay. And to shave some weight off, I guess.
Yep.
Yeah, that is nice. Yeah, my only thing would be that it probably would have been nice to have it tilt down or something, but I wouldn't complain too much about that.
And you've always got the kickstand option that comes with the
battery. Oh, yeah, right. That comes with the battery thing. Okay. Wow, I did not expect battery powered. Okay, but that'll be optional, will it? Or
yes.
Right, okay. So but it comes with the stand, yeah?
That's option 2.
Oh, stand's an option? No, come on. No, you've got to have the stand with it.
So the main stand comes with the product.
Oh, right.
The battery pack is an option, which ships with one battery.
Yep.
Because shipping with two batteries gets stuck up in airlines.
Oh, okay. Yes, right.
They're over 90. It's about 97 watt hours.
Watt hours, yep.
So
Right.
but you can buy a second battery.
Yep.
They are hot swappable. 8 hours battery life.
8 hours, but I was
on
going to
two.
ask. Yeah.
Yep. And then we also have a separate option pack, which is the soft case,
Yep.
the little kickstand, so for people that are portable. And this is again a prototype.
Oh, rubber baby buggy bumper.
Yep.
Check it out. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is definitely, this has come out. Is this like one of those rubber 3D printers?
Yes, I believe so,
Right,
yeah.
okay.
Like the final version will actually have a handle built into it.
Right. Oh, it'll have a handle in it.
It built into the top.
Oh, that's, okay. That is nice. That is sexy. Oh, okay, yeah, I can picture that being really good when you get that. Yeah, that's, wow, I've never felt that rubber prototypey thing before. But it gives you a good idea of how it's going to work.
And you can put it on, if you turn it around, it goes
Yep.
on. No, turn it.
Huh?
That's the back part, because it works with
okay, yep.
It works
Yep.
with and without the battery.
Oh, got it. Okay, so that goes on like that. Yep. Oh, yeah, I won't put it on now. It'll probably break or something.
No,
Because I can
it
see
should be
see
okay.
it's glued to it. No, it's all right. I really like the stand. I really like the stand, so I'm going to whack it back on there and, yep. Ooh. Okay, I did not expect any, well, come on. I did not expect any of that. I did not expect the tablet form factor. I did not expect the multi-purpose stand. I did not expect the battery option. That's impressive. Okay. And I did not expect the tactile dome membrane keypad on the front. That's interesting. Yes, my only complaint, the first time I saw it was that it looked a bit toy-like. I'd like to see a bit more splash of colour. I guarantee you'll get complaints over that. It's not just me. I guarantee it. I know my audience. I know my fellow engineers, and they'll go, kind of looks a bit, you know. It's simply a colour thing. I think it's simply a colour. I think you could get away. Yeah. That was my first impression. Okay, can I power it on?
Yep.
Yeah.
Whoa. Here we go. All right. Okay.
And there's a cord in the other pocket.
Oh, right. No, I've got one.
I even brought you an Aussie cord.
Oh, you did. Oh, thank you. Well, I could always do with more Aussie cords. All right. So that's a that's a 4-pin jobby, and goes in the side.
Flat to the front.
Oh, flat to the front. Okay. Oh, where's the USB? It's got to be on the side. Yep. You've got 2 USBs, 2, excellent. Because often you need, like, you've got powering 2 differential probes or something like that. Does LAN come standard?
Yep.
Ooh, LAN standard. Okay, USB 2, obviously. But mixed signal's optional, right?
That's correct.
Yep.
That's going to be a future option.
Right. Okay. Okay, here we go.
You can add it later.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's just
And
software.
you get the probe.
Oh,
and
okay.
code, yeah.
Yep, got
You're
it.
good to go. Yeah.
So they'll ship you a probe and a
It uses the same probe as
Okay.
the MSO 2000 and the MDO 3000 and 3 series scope.
Right. Looking for my stopwatch. I don't know. Anyway, we'll just manually count here. Oh, okay. Yep. So you've got your standby there. Don't know what the standby consumption is, but let's power it on. Let's look at the boot time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tektronix. I want the old school logo. Sorry. 9, 10. Okay. It's a bit slow if you want to use it as a field tablet scope, but that's not its purpose really. I mean, let's be fair, right?
And it can always be running on the battery.
Oh, yeah, of course. Redeem your free subscription of a Tech Drive. What's Tech Drive starter? Is that like a cloudy storage thing?
Cloud storage.
Cloud storage, okay.
Collaboration.
Yeah, and analysis. You can actually do analysis on Tech Drive as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can actually look at the waveforms.
From any browser.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
Right, nice. Okay, well, yeah, that'll take some playing with. Okay, yeah, this is a painfully long boot time.
It's about a minute.
Yeah, okay, yep. But, I mean, these things are so OS heavy these days that, yeah. Wow, this is, okay. This is going to be really interesting to see the market reception for this, because you guys have innovated a lot. And I see a mouse pointer. MSO 2.4 mixed signal scope, power on self-test passed. Well, that's good. That would have been embarrassing. Granted, this is not a production version. Can I... No?
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Touch is off.
oh, touch is off.
It this morning,
Let me see if I can find the touch button. Oh, yeah, touch off. There we go. Oh, yeah, it's white. Yeah, I wouldn't have had that white, but I do have my studio lights on here, but that was hard to see. That was not... I saw the power, but I didn't see that with white. I probably would have had... Oh, I don't have that red. I'd have that red touch off anyway, because red means, you know, bad, off, or whatever. Right. Okay, a lot of people aren't going to like the menu. What OS is it running on? Is it like a Linux thing, or is it? Yeah, Linux. Okay, right. Well, let's just go demo. Demo overview. Recall session demo. Demo overview. Yep. No. How do I get rid of that?
Tap out to anywhere outside the window.
Anywhere outside the window. Okay.
So then you want to
Recall demo session. Measurements zoom. Okay, let's just go measurements. No, let's do some FFT, shall we? Do I have to double click that? Yep. Double click. Okay, we've got ourselves a split view. Nice. Can we pinch and zoom? Yeah, of course we can. Of course we can. Can we? Yep, of course we can. Operates exactly like you'd expect. And yep, can we drag the trigger level? Yeah, of course we can. Yeah, everything's operating exactly like you'd expect. All right, very nice. Seems fast and responsive. Oh yeah, yep. Although that isn't updating now, is it? No.
No, this is a saved
No,
wave. You've got
right.
A saved
It's a saved waveform.
Yes.
Okay. Oh well, let's just go out of that. Let's just run. Or no. How do we get out of demo mode?
Just default setup.
Default setup. There it is.
You were in
right.
normal trigger mode, so it wasn't re-triggering.
Right. So what do we got? Okay, we got up to. Where's my 1 nanosecond per division? Okay, it's 2.5 gig sample. Okay, is that at what if you turn on the other channels? There's a halve yet. Yeah, it halves. Okay, as soon as you turn on a second one, so you're obviously sharing the converter there. So okay, 250k points. What's the maximum?
10 meg.
10 meg memory.
Yep.
Okay, that's not bad for an entry. That's fine for entry level kind of scope, because this is not replacing the 2000 series.
Yep, it's replacing the DPO and MSO 2000.
Oh,
but we've got
it is replacing. Okay, right. No, it's definitely not replacing.
Definitely not.
Because that's got the MSO. Sorry, that's the mixed domain.
Correct.
Yeah.
So
that'll still only start with the 3.
Yes,
Yeah.
and that starts at double this price, doesn't it? It starts at
About 4,000.
about
Just
4,000. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So this is half the price. Wow. It remains to be seen how much the options and everything are. But the base model thing starts at $2,000. But yeah, geez, I don't know. There's so much new stuff in this. It's really something. Okay, so is this the similar user interface to the 3? Because I'm just not familiar with the 3 and 5 series.
4, 5, 6.
Right. Okay. Yep. I've rarely
Identical.
touched them.
Yeah.
I've only had like
you
5
drive
minutes.
this, you can drive a 6 series $100,000 scope.
Got it.
It's the same user interface.
Not same user interface. Nice. All right. So, whoop. Default trigger again. Default setup again. So if I turn on my extra channels, and yep. Okay, we've got all 4 channels, and what does it go down to? 1 millivolt per division. I assume. Yeah, we're on 10 times. So how do I?
Double
Yeah.
tap if you want to go with
Double tap. Okay. Up. Come on. There we go.
and
Okay.
then hit the probe setup.
And probe setup. Yep. And then times 1. Yep. Okay. So it's 1 millivolt per division. Although it doesn't have the low noise capability of the 3 series,
That
right?
also starts with the 3.
Yeah. Okay. Which is fine.
Yeah, that's
So.
that ASIC we were talking about.
Yep, got it. Very nice. Okay, so we turn on some maths. Okay, that's... Oh, hang on. Get rid of that. Oh, okay, no, it's horizontal. I've got my horizontal mixed up. Okay. Ah. Can you push? Yep. Yep. They're pushable. Very nice. I'll go back to there. Oh, so they light up, do they?
Yep.
Oh, I can barely see it. Oh, yeah, no, I think you're going to have to do something about that. That's... Really?
No, what are you looking at? The buttons?
The buttons.
The buttons don't.
Oh, I was going to say,
sorry.
right, okay.
I thought you were talking about
the ring lights. Oh, okay, and it changes colour to match that. Nice. Yep. Okay, right, got it.
And the same with the trigger. If you change trigger, then it tells you what channel you're on.
Right.
No, they don't light up.
Okay. I'm going to say, they could probably do with being a bit brighter, I'd say, but I do have my studio lights on here, so, but, you know, and if you're using it outside, I don't know, you may not see them at all, but I don't know, it's probably the same with every portable scope, so, why did that come up? There was a spinny wheel thing there. All I was doing was turning my trigger level, and you had a spinny wheel. Ooh, what's going on? All right, so digital is not enabled. Okay, right, so I don't have a digital probe with it. Is there a digital probe with it?
I've got a digital probe for you.
Right,
the digital
okay.
features one we're still working on.
Oh, okay.
And it's going to be released
Got it. So I can't play with that now.
later.
Okay, got it. Wow, okay. And then auto set, of course, which we've got no signals. And the ARB gen, how do I get into the ARB math ref bus digital?
It's down at the bottom where it says AFG, arbitrary function generator.
Oh, right, okay, yep. Yeah, you don't really need to dedicate a button on the front panel to that, I don't think. It's fine, yep. Okay, so you got, any ARB capability? It's got burst, that's all right.
If you change the
waveform type,
go scroll to the bottom.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Okay, that's got a decent... Okay, yeah, it's pretty good. Oh. Yep, okay. That's not bad at all. Okay,
50 megahertz sine.
Oh, 50 meg.
Yep.
Nice. Does that lower with ARB?
It depends on what you're doing, but I think it goes down to about 25. It's 25 square.
I'd expect...
25 square,
yep.
50 sine.
Right, okay, yep. That's fairly typical to have it lower with ARB capability. Okay, well... Okay, I am impressed, guys. That's that it was not what I was expecting. Not what I was expecting at all. I was expecting like just well, I already thought that the MDO the 3 series was already small and compact. I didn't see how you were going to get it any smaller, really. And you've taken a different direction and made it tablet and battery powered. And a flexible stand and a funky stand thingy. Wow, that's very impressive. And it's all single board construction inside, you said, I think. So we'll do a teardown. Wow. Okay. Yep. I'm going to have to play around with it. I won't do that in this video. This is just a first impressions video. But yeah, that stand is very clever. So yeah, I'm really liking that. Hats off to whoever's done that. That is really nice.
Yeah, they'll be thrilled. You know,
yep.
It's always good feedback.
Well, I can send you this video. So I'll send you this video before I, because obviously I can't release this until June. But yeah, that's it. Oh, okay. K averages. Did I turn on some sort of?
That's the sampling.
Okay, right. There you go. Oh, 1200 average. Okay. No, 1200K. So it's done over 1 million. What's the waveform update? What's the nominal waveform update?
It's about 5K
per second.
It's not a fast.
Right. It's not a fast scope. Okay, got it. So this is physically a different architecture and processor or just a lower processor than what you've got in the 3 series.
It's different.
It's completely different architecture.
Completely different.
Okay. I wouldn't say lesser. It's
right.
Because
no.
It's modern. It's 64-bit.
Right.
Or,
Yep. I'll see that when I tear it down. Yeah. Okay. Right.
It uses the same front-end analog design with a different version of the front-end ASIC than the 3 series, but the analog path is a very similar path to that.
Got it. And I haven't even thought about bandwidth yet. What is the base bandwidth? Oh,
well, the base is 70, but it goes up to.
It doesn't. Oh, okay, but it doesn't say. It doesn't say. It's not labelled on here. Oh, goes up to 500. Okay.
You can change that.
Right, okay. Right.
If you buy a 70 meg scope,
Yep. You can
and
software upgrade
you
it.
decide you want a 500 meg scope,
Yep.
purchase the license and update it.
Wow. Okay.
But then you can also set it back to any of the other bandwidths.
Yep.
So you can have a 500 model and a 200 model,
Mm.
but if you want to do side-by-side results, you can set them both to 200. So you
Wow.
get the same performance and not seeing noise that you might see on the 500.
Yeah, of
that
course.
You wouldn't see on the 200.
Yep. But that's always a compromise, because when you design a 500 meg bandwidth front end, you're getting the noise of a 500 meg bandwidth front end. You can lower the bandwidth, but the inherent no, okay.
You're filtering it out.
Yeah, you are
It's all
filtering
digitally
out.
filtered.
But I thought you could achieve even lower noise if you didn't design it over the full bandwidth. But maybe I'm wrong.
But what we're seeing is previously we went to 200
Yep.
in this category, but
Yes.
a lot of people are like, I need 350, I want 500 later, maybe, we're not sure. So it gives that path for folks.
Right. Interesting. Although, I mean, if you want but if it's there and you need 500 and you've already paid for the scope, then you'd want it. But I was going to say, in this sort of price, if you buy in this price category, you probably aren't thinking 500 meg, but I don't know, maybe there's customers that do.
The 500 meg was probably going to be most popular with the portability. Because getting 500 meg and being portable.
Okay, yeah, I can see the thinking there. All right. Yeah, is there any? What's the competition for a 500 meg?
Some of the handhelds go up there, but they're very expensive.
They're very pricey. Okay, that's interesting. Wow. Okay. So what does that little button up there? What does that little magnification button do up there? I see a Oh, okay. No? Oh. No.
I think you pressed it a few times.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm going to have to get used to using it, because I haven't used the 3 or 5 series. I've only just spent 5 minutes playing with them, so I'm going to have to dabble around. But okay, that's very impressive. But I do think you have to change the colour a little bit. Please. But maybe that's just me. Maybe nobody else agrees, and that's fine. But no, I'm very impressed. I did not expect any of this, and I'm sure nobody else will either. Wow.
Is that all charged up, Andy?
Yeah, that's actually charged up.
Okay, so that's charged up, so we could actually... when we plug it in, does it give you a battery indicator?
Yep. A battery indicator will appear
right
at the top right of the screen.
Okay, well, let's try it now. I won't even turn it off. Look at that. All right, so let's take that out. Get rid of our very nice stand. It's gorgeous.
Did you bring any of your 3D printed?
And
No, we didn't have
there
any.
you go, and that plugs into there. Somebody was really thinking. That was that's fantastic. That's really nice industrial design. Ooh, hang on. Does it? No, it just sits in. Okay, so that it shouldn't click.
There's 4 screws.
Okay, there's
So
4
if you
screws.
turn it on, it's...
Oh well, I'll just leave it there for now, and I'll turn it on. Yep.
Yeah, I would make sure it's screwed in, because you've got to get the connections right. Yeah.
It's okay. It won't fall out. It's on an angle, just for the purposes of this test. Oh, fan. Is that in the tablet or is that in the battery?
It's in the tablet, so the...
I didn't hear that before.
No, when you first turn it on, the fan goes up high.
And then
And then it's temperature controlled.
It's temperature controlled,
But when you don't know the environment and you're booting the system, we run the fan full speed.
Okay. The vents. Yeah, the vents on the side. Okay. Right. Okay. That's kind of cool. All right. So obviously you're not going to supply a 3D printed stand with that. Will that be aluminium or no? Just be plastic. Yeah, I thought so.
And that comes with the soft case and the bumper. So the idea is the people that are more portable want the smaller stand.
Yep.
As opposed to the people that are maybe more desk want the larger stand or the... Yeah, it warns you that you're running on battery.
On battery. Okay, so where's the battery? Oh, yeah, up there. Okay, it'd be nice if there was a percentage there.
Double tap it.
Oh, really? Okay. All right.
So it
Oh,
tells
yeah,
you
slot 1. Yep.
what battery, what slot.
Nice.
Time
The
to charge.
time remaining. Okay. It'd be nice if you just put the time remaining next to it, maybe. I thought, that would just be, rather than just a bar, it'd be nice, I assume, how much does the battery, how much does the power consumption change with features using? Do you know?
I'm not 100% sure, but I don't think it changes a lot.
I wouldn't expect it to.
You're really still running the core of the FPGA anyway.
Right, yeah,
So
yeah, exactly.
As we load in more features,
Right.
as we enhance the product, because we've got continuous software updates planned, that will change the battery consumption, but we know we've got a bit of headroom in that 8-hour measurement.
Got it. And you could probably, it depends what you've done in the actual design of the circuitry, if you could shut down, if you actually didn't want, if the front end wasn't switched on, if you actually had the actual power supply for that front end could shut that down and save some power or something. So I don't know if you've done that.
My understanding is that it's hardware implemented, but not software done today.
Okay, right, but in the future you could you could improve battery life by doing that. Okay, yeah, because that would be really nice. Yep. So, okay, that's very cool.
The way the battery is constructed, if you notice where your hands go, you can.
There's grips. Yes, I did notice that. I forgot to mention it. Yep, that is nice. So, and it's nice if it'd be nice if these were thumb screws, but I guess same as here, same as these, because these things are gorgeous, right? These are absolutely gorgeous. They're captive. They don't come out. Absolutely fantastic. Be nice if that was the same. Okay. But minor. I don't know how often you'd convert it between a portable thing and a.
That was our thinking.
Yeah.
You're going to put it on there, leave it.
And you'd probably end up leaving it, maybe. But I don't know. There might be a whole bunch of customers who want to continuously, use it on the bench during the day and.
And there's also an optional external charger as well. So for those people that just want to buy batteries, stack them up.
Right.
And because if you can't get to, it's hot swappable, so you can pull one out and put a freshly charged battery in.
And I assume this charges it?
Yes, it does.
Right, okay. So if I plug that in now. Okay. Well, a lot of people, I guess you wouldn't even need the other stand. I mean, if you wanted to. Yep, there it is. So if you wanted to. If you were using it all, if you wanted to be ready to take out, I can picture a lot of people just having the battery pack in there,
And that battery pack works on the other main big stand as well.
Oh,
it doesn't have to have the kickstand. The kickstand comes off the back of the battery pack.
Right.
And then it will fit on the main aluminum stand.
Oh,
so you can
nice.
fit it either way.
Oh, wow.
So whichever you want.
Andy's setup on his bench doesn't take any bench space. He just uses a Visa monitor mount clipped to a shelf.
Got it.
It just hangs in front of him. You can swing it out of the way, swing it back.
Nice.
So when I'm using my scope, it's right in front of me.
Yep.
Swinging out of the way when I'm not using it.
And then on
this is great.
Amazon or anywhere, there's hundreds of things.
Yep. All right. Alan Walkie said I would like this, and he's right. Yep. So, hi, Alan, if you're watching this. Yep. He said I would. Yep. You are right. I'm very impressed, guys, by the thinking that's gone into it. That is the main thing. Specs and bang per buck, and it's almost secondary when you're this. This will change. This will force other manufacturers to go, oh, geez, why didn't we think of that kind of thing? So, yeah, that's really good. You can quibble about the tactile buttons and the color and the 1 minute boot up time and, rubbish like that. But it doesn't really, matter. I think that's going to be very popular. I can see a lot of people going, yep, I want that. Just for the form factor and having this, that takes up very little bench space. That takes up very little. So, yeah, that's nice. How much wattage?
I think it's 65.
24 volts at 2.5 amps. Yep.
That's about 65. Something like that.
So, yeah. Okay. That's pretty sweet. I'm going to enjoy playing with this.
Good.
Thank you very much, guys, for bringing this, hand carrying this all the way from the United States. That's, What's the security stuff? Is that like secure memory wipe
secure
and
arrays?
stuff?
Yeah, secure memory arrays.
Secure memory arrays.
This is where it differentiates. If you're going to user preferences, for example.
Yep.
And go down to other.
Other.
Yep.
Yeah, right.
And then click on the font size.
Oh.
And then turn the multi-purpose knob.
Yeah, I saw that light up. Oh, okay. Wow.
This is the thought that we put into our products.
Wow. Is this on the other one? Is this on the 3 series?
This is on the 4, 5, and 6.
Wow. Okay.
Yep. You can go in. I think if you click on, it goes small.
Oh, look at the size of that font. Wow. Because this is a full HD screen, right?
No, it's not. It's wide XGA. It's 1280 by 800.
By 800. Okay, so it is smaller than the 3 series.
You get to the point where the pixels are just so small.
Yeah.
But it's readable.
I'm barely. Yeah, that's almost. I can still read it, but oh geez. Okay. Yeah, I think I've hit the limit. I can still read that though. My eyesight hasn't gone that much that I can't read that. But that, wow.
And then you can.
Okay.
I think if you hit display, for example.
Yeah.
Define custom colors.
Define custom colors. Yep.
So I can now change channel 1 to blue.
Oh, for those who complain about your selection of color choices. Ah, excellent. Because I know there are a lot of users out there who complain on the forum that why did you pick red? For example, I can't see red.
So for example, if you select
red and green,
like a blue,
like that,
and then hit that bright blue at the top.
Hit that one.
Yep. So select that.
Yeah. Oh, set.
I think
no.
What channel are you on?
Double click. It's changed.
So that's channel 3. So if you go to channel 3 now, to get out of any of these menus, just click off the screen.
All right. Okay. Oh.
And then go to channel 3.
Channel 3. See, this is where having the RGB LED behind there would have been really sexy, but
then that's blue. That's blue.
And that's blue. Okay, right. Yep. Well, I guess if you want to do that, but then you're unfortunately stuck with the silkscreen colours. But
exactly.
But it gives you that. It's nice. At least you got the option to do it. Yep.
And there's nothing else in this space that does that sort of flexibility.
Yeah, a lot of there are trade-offs between adding cost versus flexibility.
Right. I'm going to change that back now. Otherwise, it's going to screw me up during the review. So, yep. Boom.
There you go.
Ah, sweet. Okay, that's very nice. That's very nice.
The team did the bulk of this all during the pandemic.
All during the... I was going to say, what was the development cycle on this?
It's been about... We started on this just right at the start of the pandemic.
Oh, wow.
So it takes time.
Right, yeah.
But you imagine...
Distributed team.
Yeah, distributed team, 2 years. That's very impressive. Right, that's very impressive.
We were the innovation they had to come up with just to be able to bring boards up with software engineers at home,
right?
Or as we mentioned, in other locations around the world.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And connecting with customers.
And
every step of the way. Did we do this? Did we do that?
Oh, okay. So there was customer input on this.
Throughout.
Really? Okay.
For example, we when we originally thought about, did we just go completely touch?
Right. Okay.
And
well, then you're a tablet. Then you're a complete tablet. So that would have alienated a lot of people right off the bat.
What we found.
Yeah.
But we talked to students in their first year at university.
Oh, they're all for it.
No,
really.
So that's what we thought too. We think that's all they know.
Yep.
Nope. So we talked to them and they said, I need certain knobs and buttons just to have that feel. Well, I'm watching with my eyes.
Yep.
And I'm turning the knob. And so even students that are first year out of college,
they were still saying that.
They're still saying it. So,
I have hope for the future.
But this is, we have a lot of interns that come in, and we ran it through all these interns, local universities,
right,
to get that feedback of, a different generation to myself, so you really get to listen to what they say.
Interesting.
We don't want touch, all touch.
How long did it take you to decide on, like, we want battery and the stand and the form factor and everything? Because you'd be arguing over that forever.
Well, this is the first of platform.
Right. Yeah.
So we have a long view of what we'll do down the road. You'll see probably something every year.
Right.
And where do we start?
Yep.
But that
Got it.
with a lot of talking with customers, that kind of informed that.
Yep.
So.
Well, I can see the same form factor in an arbitrary function gen. I can see it coming in, you know, other like a signal analyzer, spectrum analyzer, you know, in the same form factor. You know, it'd be like a Field Fox competitor or something like that. Perhaps if you could do a, you know, a spectrum analyzer thing. So yeah, that's really impressive, guys. Thank you very much. I am stunned. I didn't expect that at all. Yep, that is brilliant. Thank you very much.
Very welcome. Thanks for taking the time.
No worries. All right. Catch you next time.
Thanks.